I'm Mark at Vanguard. If you've recently upgraded your Sitefinity website, or you have a new Sitefinity website, you'll see some changes to the layout blocks. Let's take a look at these. So here are the layout blocks that you're probably familiar with, and here are the new ones. What's the difference beyond appearance? Let's take a look. With the old layout blocks, you'd click Edit, and here's where you do your customization. You change the spacing between the blocks by entering numerical values here. Then you need to remember those values while you're building the rest of your site out to keep things consistent. Here's where you would add CSS classes to change things, but there is no library of CSS built into these layout blocks. Looking at the new layout blocks, when you hit Edit, you see a simplified interface. There's no place to enter those numerical values for spacing, just fields to add CSS. Why is this? Because the new layout blocks are based on Bootstrap. So what is Bootstrap? It's a CSS HTML framework that was developed at Twitter and is now used by about 20% of all websites. What's important to us here is how the Bootstrap grid works with the new layout blocks. Here's a page with some content dropped in, and as you'll be able to see, there are some spacing problems here. So let's use some Bootstrap classes to make it look a little better. This title could use a little spacing beneath it. So let's go into Layout. And here in the column 1 of this block, we're going to add a little margin beneath. So margin starts with M. We want this to be a bottom margin, so B. And then there's a number from 0 to 5, 0 being nothing, 5 being the widest margin you can put on. We're going to put on a 4. Save that. Preview. And there's our margin. Padding works much the same way. Now margins, as we applied here, go on the outside of the block element that you're putting on. Padding goes on the inside. Let's take a look at these text blocks down here and add a little padding. Go into Layout. Now this time, we're just going to go without a direction. And we'll do that on each one. And when we preview, you'll see we got a little better spacing around that. I'm going to put a link to the Bootstrap spacing documentation underneath this video. We'll have another video pretty soon about it, but as you can see, there's quite a bit more you can do. So you're probably asking yourself, why do I want to learn how to use this new grid and have to learn about Bootstrap? There are a couple good answers for that, but probably the best one is responsive design and how it's built right into the Bootstrap grid. Let's take another quick look at our page. And then using the Chrome RWD simulator, here we got the iPhone layout. You see, without us doing anything else, all the content's been reflowed and everything fits nicely. So as you can see, the new layout blocks combined with Bootstrap styling can be powerful tools for your website. Each page will look great on a mobile device, and the styling between the pages will be consistent. So with a little bit of learning and practice, you can master the Bootstrap classes and be on your way to a well-governed and modern website. Vanguard has been developing websites for associations since 1998. As Sitefinity continually improves their CMS, we continue to build innovative websites and to offer in-depth training to our clients. Contact your Vanguard Client Manager today for more information.